Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how I made this plane. It's from Kirigami, number 22, and you can buy it at Kirigami.fr. Before I start assembling, I want to share with you something I discovered. Well, it is very obvious in one way, but in another way it confused me a lot trying to put all the parts together the first time. Because this is the instruction plan with all the numbers, but this is all mirrored. Because when you print it, the numbers will be on the back. And because this is all mirrored, it got me confused looking at the pictures, because this is mirrored to that one. So what I did for the clouds, which I will start, I printed out the mirrored part. So these are the mirrored part for the cloud. And I've put them down there and exactly the same way as this drawing. And now I'm going to build it like this. Maybe it looks a bit silly like this, but otherwise I couldn't figure out how to build it. Once you know it, it's very simple. This will be the base. Part N, part J and part K. So I will build that first. This is part N, can't be attached to the card right now, so I'll put it down like this. Part J, which will be like this, and part K, which will go in the card like this, so I'll put it down like so. Insert this into the card, because I only have two hands. Will make it a bit easier. And N has to go here in the first slit of part K, like so. And here in the first slit from part J, this one. And that will eventually go into the card here. And I put it in there for just now, otherwise it will keep falling apart. So this is N. When I turn it, this is K. And when I turn it the other way around, this is J. And this is the front. So now we have 4 parts left. These two will go on this side, these two will go on this side. First, those P and Q. First I'm going to add Q. I will turn the card. Or will I add P? No, I will have to add P because P goes in there. This is P. And P goes in there. So put it back to prevent it falling apart. And now we will add Q. this. And there it is. So that's part is Q and P goes over there. You see? One side done. Now the other parts. Turn the card the other way around. So we have part O and part M left. Part M will have to go in there. So I will take that out a bit, put that in, put that right back, and now there are two slits, and here are two slits in the last part, part O. There we go. And if you close it gently and fiddle a bit, because the bottom isn't glued yet. Yeah, there it is. Now the gluing parts are put in like they should. And there's the bottom. I will glue this and this first, otherwise it keeps falling apart. So let's put some glue over here. Not too close to the edge, otherwise you will get some glue on the other side of your card. You don't want to see that. So that's one. And same for this one. So a bit of glue. There we go. So, bottom done. Unless you think, hey, she forgot two slots. They're at the back. Here's one. And there's one. You see? So this is the front of the card with part N. And this is the back, but the plane will go into there. So just put this aside for now and start putting the plane together. When I made this plane before, I thought that was a lot easier than building the base. So last time I started with the plane and tried to end with the base. That was a big problem because the base kept falling apart. Now I've built the base and I'm going to build the airplane and fit it to the base later on. Remember, when building away, don't close this side of the plane, because this slit, number 24, has to go on top of your base. So put aside one of the side parts, so you won't be using that by accident, and start building. With slice forms you have to start in the middle, because otherwise you can't fit those parts anymore later on. Gently, see? So that's our middle, and from there on I'll build on. I don't like the way it's bending, so it needs a bit of more room. You see? So I will just make it a bit bigger and continue after that. Be back in a sec. There I am again. Look, that's better. Moving freely, doesn't want to go like this or bend in another way. I can build on. I will get this one and that one. And this one wants to go in there. And there's a slit. Gently. Little bending, and there it is. And now we can get that on the plane. So that one goes in there. And it is a bit fiddly, but at least you can see what the shape will be. Couldn't make that up when I was working on the clouds. No, it's not the right way, because this has to slit in there, slide in there, and that one has to go in there, like so. And now gently mess it up in front of the camera. I want to bend this slightly. Yeah, like that. And here. As well. So, phew. More difficult in front of a camera because the camera is in the way, obviously. So we have to leave that side open. What more can we do? This will fit in there. Well, let's put this one on. Really difficult with the camera on my hands. Like so. Is it on? Yes, it is. But what's with this side? Oh, there's a hook as well. Oh, you see what happened? Cut off there as well. Oh. Let's do that again. So get that hook on in the middle. Yep. Still going flat, that's alright as well. Okay. On this side we can attach those. We can't do this on this side because you have to close that, but I will do it on this side. This one here. And that one there. The second one is the other way around. So this is up. So still goes flat. Yeah, right. And now the fiddly part, because first we have to put it on top of the base. There it is. Before we can close the plane. This was the front, but now we will have to work on the back, because I think this is the most difficult part. This is slit 24. The plane has to go in that from here. And this is another slit number, I don't know at the moment. Has to go over there. So that's a bit of a hassle. So I'm trying to slide that one in position. And trying to position this one as well. There we go. So now you see, it's put firmly on its base. So do that simultaneously, otherwise you won't be able to get the plane on. And now you have to finish the sides. So just slide that over. Oh, don't get stuck anywhere else. Put the wing in there. And close the plane up as on the other side. I'll be back when I've finished that. Ta-da! There it is. Isn't it beautiful? Look at it. Wow, really pleased with that. And it opens and it closes smoothly. Look at that. Really proud of that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you will try it yourselves. Oh look. This one isn't in this place. Now it is. That's better. Look. Completely square. That's it. Hope you liked it. We'll finish this off in a better way obviously, but the pop-up is done. Thanks for watching. Bye.